This is not another forex channel. If you're looking for signals, close this video. If you want to know which pair to long for the next 2 hours, close this video. If you've ever paid for a guaranteed winning system, please close this video. Still here? Good. I spent years on FX desks. What I saw was simple. Markets are not won by being right. They're won by understanding how money moves and positioning where the flow has to go. That's what this channel is. 3 principles, just 3. 1. You are providing liquidity to the market, not hunting it. Banks fill orders. Liquidity comes from somewhere. Most of the time it comes from you. Stop being the obvious liquidity, and the chart becomes a different game. 2. Volatility is information, not a warning. Most traders avoid volatile pairs because they feel dangerous. The real danger is the quiet pair where you size too large because it felt calm. Volatility tells you how to size. It doesn't tell you whether to trade. 3. News is for algorithms. The real move is for you. First 5 minutes of any major print. Spreads triple, fills are brutal, the candle is noise. The move that holds forms between minute 15 and 90. Patience pays, predictions don't. That's the framework. Now let me show you what it actually looks like. Let's take one concept, all the way down. Stop hunts. You placed a stop, price came down, took it out by 3 pips, then reversed and ran the other way. You felt cheated. You should not have. Here's what retail traders see. A price chart, a stop level, a wick that took the stop, a reversal. The conclusion, the market manipulated me. Here's what is actually happening. A bank desk has a €500 million client order to fill. They need sellers. Where are sellers? Just below the visible range low, behind round numbers, beyond the moving average, wherever retail traders cluster their stops. The desk does not target your specific stop. They target the level. The level is public. Everyone with a chart can see it. The orders sitting there are not a secret. They are a structural feature of the market. Price visits the level. Stops execute. Sellers appear. The bank fills its position. With the order filled, price has no reason to stay low. It reverses. Not manipulation, not conspiracy. Order flow. Now you have a choice. Place your stop where everyone else places theirs and become the liquidity that fills institutional orders. Or place your stop behind a zone, not a tick. Size down so a wider stop still respects your 1% risk. Same logic for breakouts that fail. Same logic for the spike after news. Same logic for moves at the London fix. Once you see flow, you stop seeing manipulation. You start seeing structure. This is what every short on this channel comes back to. One framework, different angles. Before you take your next trade, 5 questions. 1. What session am I trading? Asia, London, New York. They are different markets. Same pair, different personality. 2. Am I providing liquidity or taking it? At a visible level, you are providing. Inside a range expansion, you are taking. Know which side you are on. 3. Is my stop behind a zone or a tick? 3 pips of safety past an obvious level is no safety at all. 4. Does my size respect 1% risk? Not after the trade, before. Math first, conviction second. 5. Am I waiting for setup or chasing action? Boredom is the most expensive emotion in trading. Flat is a position. Most days, it is the correct one. Screenshot this checklist. Use it tomorrow. Notice which questions you skip. That is where your edge is leaking out. There are 2 channels. This one, the open channel. Frameworks, shorts, market structure, what institutions actually do, daily content, free. This is what you are watching now. And the closed one, sized real positions, live charts, post-trade reviews, what didn't work and why. Desk grade, access by DM. If you want the open content, subscribe. There is a short every day on these themes. If you want the closed channel, DM the desk. We talk first. Not everyone is the right fit. And if any of this changed how you think about a trade you took recently, bookmark this video. Come back to it. The questions are the answers. Live the chart. Trade the truth.